tiny toys priced around $5 from the millennium, the design was 30 years ahead of its time. Check out how many ingenious ideas these 4 BB Warriors hold. First, BB Warrior number 200. Beyond its cute yet dashing exterior, it's got excellent part separation and building experience. In addition to the classic X7-8 weapon SAS, it comes with a core fighter that can switch forms to combat with the RX-78. For the most fun part, remove the chest armor, adjust the head armor, lift the shoulder plates. Astonishingly revealed, its hatch opening gimmicks totally beats the STEX version. Zeta Gundam's transformation, once only achievable by MGMPG lines, is remarkably replicated in BB Warrior number 198. Remove the head and skirt armor, open the legs, flip the arms, rotate the wings, and fold the tail. In just a few simple steps, the Waiver Rider mode is instantly reveled, and its accessories are even more lavish than you could imagine. Not only do they include the saber, rifle, and shield, Hyper Mega Launcher is also attached. Compared with today's Z Gundam kits, I'm crying for the abundance of accessories. Although the proportions now seem a bit awkwardly cute, the transformation show in the palm of your hand is nothing short of tears of the era. Now come to the BB Warrior Gundam Mark II. How did the designer add hidden gimmick to it? The answer is cockpit opening. Place it alongside the RX-78. Perhaps the inspiration for MGSD stems from this very concept. Well, its core playability still lies in its linkage with the G Defensor, as some of the backpack will have Super Gundam, even the G Flyer mode. And detachable core fighter is flawlessly realized. The only regret is that Mark II lacks its own accessories in this kit. Yet, when I was a child, what I loved most about Gunpla with their multi-functions, this BB Warrior number 212 ZZ Gundam truly mastered the art of transformation. Remove the head, flip the fists, adjust the shoulder plates, and reassemble the legs. It transforms into the G-Fortress mode, separating the front and rear sections, reveals the core top and core base. Further disassembly yields its core fighter. The combined ZZ Gundam MS form stands firm and unyielding, with excellent color separation and the iconic twin beam rifles and super beam saber, all impeccably arranged in the realm of BB Warriors. This is truly a design at the pinnacle. When we revisit these BB Warriors, we find that within a humble 500 yen kit lies a creation of ingenuity that transcends its era. Even as SD Gundams race toward ever more stylish designs today, these childhood plastic miracles continue to shine. They prove that true craftsmanship is never measured by price, and the joy of childhood still glimmers like a soft light in the palm of your hand.